Hello, it's been a while, and this is my first video in about 6 or no, not 6 months, 2 months. Sorry about that. But anyway, hello, it's Trisha here again, and like I said, it's been a while, and so I'm gonna jump into what I have on there before my guests come back. Uh, so let me jump to it. I made my latest swap, and it's again by Tamika. And in fact, I'm going to show you one other one real quick after I do this. So bear with me when I try to get set up with that, because one of them is almost finished and the one is finished to my satisfaction. But anyway, in Tamika's in Tamika's latest swap, it's called Swapaloosa. And in the Swapaloosa, what you do is, if there's a swap project that you always wanted to join in, and this is any of her past swaps except for two, because I believe she's gonna do one of them next month. But anyway, if there's a swap that you always wanted to do and was not able to get in it for some reason, then now's your chance to do it. So I looked around on her videos, and I did see one that I always wanted to do, and it's this little beauty right here, and it's called Banner Swap. And I won't get into all the particulars because she did outline them in that swap, and I can't remember right now, but I think in the swap you are to have some elements, at least two, and a sentiment, and the banner had to be 4x5, I believe. But let me jump into what I made, and this is this cute little guy right here. And I made it simple. Oh, and they had to be in either shabby chic, or something. And I think I did married the two. Forgive me, Tamika, if I did. But as you can see here, I created this, and I actually cut this out in my Cricut Explorer. So I cut out the pattern, and I layered it I layered it about 4 or 5 times to make sure it was a steady thing. And I did add corrugated chipboard at the bottom of it. But what I did was I used a DCWV, my favorite paper line in the world, it seems like, because that's what I have mostly of. And it's called Perry and Peach, and it was one of the packs that I hauled this past summer. So now I'm finally get to using all my stuff. But anyway, if you could see here, I don't have my iPhone. I don't have my camera phone, and the reason why is it's dead for the moment. I need to charge it. So it's one of those things where owner, that would be me, has too many apps on there, but cannot figure out which one I want to get rid of. Okay, so anyway, and this is one of the pattern papers from the Perry and Peach pad, and the saying on there, which in this case they all say something different, but in this case this one says create something. And as you can see there, I use Tim Holtz ornate onyx the onyx, not onyx, oxidize inks to do this. Can you tell I'm nervous? That's what happens when you don't videotape every day. So anyway, and it's faded jeans, and I just used it as a ordinary, like you ordinary would do ink. But one thing I do want to say about the Tim Holtz oxidized inks is you could use it as a regular ink pad, like I did, or you could put water and it just oxidizes, and I just love it. One video that I did not show you, and I may put it up at another time, that excuse me, hope I don't get into a sneezing fit. But anyway, and it gets really chalky, and it's really cute, and so I like that. Anyway, let me see if I can pull this down. I might have the monitor as I go. Oh, as you could tell, I'm on my webcam. But anyway. And also I have a little clothespin right here, and they're different sayings of hello, and this one is howdy. And I did Dollar Tree butterfly. And the butterfly is supposed to be a pick that you put in your garden. But what I did was I snapped off the little pokey thing. The same pokey thing that you use to do shish kebabs and the whole 9 yards. I took that off. And I popped it up on some pop dots. And there you go. You got a new embellishment. Only for $1. There's 10 in a pack for $1. And so I took also, if you could see here, where's my camera? Oh, the little gems at the bottom, and I put lace on the back, on the bottom part, and in the back is my information about where I'm located at when I'm not scrapbooking. And this card is a graphic 45 thing that's actually supposed to be part of a album, and that says different things like create, inspire, and imagine. And this one says create, and it's a little bit bigger than the actual banner itself, but it covers it really well. And I was able to squeeze my information on here and that sort of thing. So along with that is there's always packaging to go with these swaps. So I picked up at Tuesday morning today these muslin bags, and you get 6 for, let's see if I can find the packaging here. You get, I believe it was $1.99, something like that. But anyway, so I will put that in this, and then the recipient will also get one of these that I already had, but I bought them at the Dollar Tree and that sort of thing. And that's about it from the swap. Before I go, and before my nephew and his girlfriend get here, I want to show you one other swap, and this is by a new person. And they're on Facebook. So I'm supposed to make a composition notebook, and then a particular theme, and then I am supposed to just decorate. And the only thing I need to do with the first one I'm going to show you is make the bookmark, and then I need to finish up the fall one, but I will show you what I have done so far. And I'm supposed to do this by Monday, so okay, so here it is. And And this is mostly done. I covered it in an old Christmas stack. I'm doing the Christmas theme and the fall theme, but this one's the Christmas one. And this is bling piece I already had, and it's by, oh, I forgot which one it is. Has a 3 in it. I like these beads, and the name escapes me for the moment. But as you can see, I cut out 2 flags, and that actually a card inspired me to do this, and also this label right here, so that the recipient can write out what type of journal that this is gonna be. But this is my first covered one. Oh, sorry. At the bottom is another piece of paper from that same paper stack by Old Paper Christmas Stack. And let's see. On the inside, it's a little pocket to stick lists and other things in it. And the last one I started is this. And right now all it has is a label on it, but will be finished with it. Label and, oops, some flags on there. Same type of style. I don't know what I'm going to do at the bottom of that, but I'm also supposed to have a note, bookmark, and all it is just plain right now. So that's about it. And in case you're wondering what I have been up to and that sort of thing, I have been really busy, and I'm turning this slightly because I have the Cricut Maker. Yes, I do. I got it Monday. I did the last 24-hour craft thing. I still have my Explorer, which when I start getting busy, it's gonna be it's gonna be quite interesting when the noise level goes up a notch a little bit. And I also have the Cricut Bright Pad, and which my nephew absolutely loves. And that little thing back there is the mink, and I just got it today. And funny thing about it is I've been wanting the mink laminator for about 2 years, and excuse me, I've been wanting it for about 2 years, sorry, and I was not willing to pay 100 and something for the 12 by 12, and I wasn't really willing to pay, I think it was around 50 something, 70 something for the 6 by 6. And I had heard on I think it was Cherished Treasures, that it was available at Tuesday morning for $29.99. So 2 months ago, I went over there to my Tuesday morning, and I asked the clerk if they had any, and she said no, and not every Tuesday morning has what you're looking for. So if somebody hauls something or shows it what's in their Tuesday morning, chances are your store may not have it. So anyway, I had not been back for a while, and when I came in, and I was actually looking for the packaging stuff for the banner swap, for the Swapaloosa, which is what it's called, and I happened to see it. I had a ton of stuff in my cart, along with the items that I showed you, and I said, okay, in order for me to get that meat thing, since I have the Cricut Maker, I'm going to have to put back everything but what I intended on going to the store for. So I put everything back, and I picked up the little meat thing, and it was $4.29. So now I have my Mink laminator, and I actually got rid of my old laminator, so it went bye-bye in the trash this past summer because I could no longer stand seeing it out in the garage and bugs getting in it and everything. So that's about it. Uh oh, be on the lookout. But Christmas, I might be getting that Easy Press too. So just watch it. But anyway, it's going on after 15 minutes, and I think I hear some rumbling out there in the garage. So they're coming. Yes, they're coming. So I'm going to bid you a quick adieu, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.